I am really curious to see if this 7,000 grain lead slug makes it through all three. And if it does, we have a lot of water to try and catch it. Okie dokie. Okay. Here we go. 1 pound slug. Oh! Holy cow! I don't think we had enough water up there. No, it's, yeah, we definitely made it through all of them, I believe. Whoa. Yeah, okay, so, number one, he's not looking too good. We literally had a perfect hit. Hit him square in the chest, and if you look back here, he has had his back completely blown out. Definitely gonna need to see a chiropractor after that one.